Okay, hello everyone, Samantha here. I just wanted to show this oil right here. What I put in here is some coconut oil. I put a little bit of vitamin E oil and a little bit of coconut butter, cocoa butter, and a little bit of shea butter. And I'm gonna see how this works on my goddaughter slash niece's skin. Very, very little, because now I'm using the Johnson and Johnson's baby oil, and I really don't like that. It has a lot of ingredients on the back. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so here it is. So I'm not saying that this lotion is bad. Please don't get me wrong. You see, but I just don't like that. All of this, like, I don't like it. And I know there's stuff in there to preserve it. And I'm trying. I know I can't completely get away from it. Because, we just can't. Like, I'm not saying that it's impossible. Some people probably do it. But I know for myself, I'm not going to put that pressure on myself. But the more I can learn to get away from things that have all these kind of ingredients where stuff I can't read. Well, dimethicone. I mean, I could pronounce it. I use my phonics skills, but like, I can read. I know what coconut oil is, peppermint oil, cocoa butter, shea butter. These are natural things, but a lot of this other stuff, some of this stuff is made in a lab, and like I said, I'm trying to progressively be more of, how can I say, more natural, use products that are more natural based. So yeah, so that's this oil right here in coconut, mostly coconut oil. When I tell you a very little bit of shea butter and cocoa butter, it's very, very little, and a little bit of vitamin E oil. Very, very, very little. The bulk of this is coconut oil. So that's it. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.